Hello everyone, is your car struggling with shifting gears or randomly going into limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0702, Transmission Control System Electrical, it means there's an electrical issue in the transmission control system. In this video, I'll explain what P0702 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0702? The P0702 Trouble Code stands for Transmission Control System Electrical. Your car's transmission control module constantly monitors the electrical circuits controlling the transmission. If it detects a short circuit, low voltage, or high resistance in the system, it triggers P0702 to alert you. Warning, P0702 is a general code, meaning you'll need to scan for additional transmission codes to pinpoint the exact issue. Common symptoms of P0702: check engine light on transmission. Warning light on harsh, delayed, or slipping shifts. Limp mode, reduced power mode. Poor acceleration and high RPMs, unusual transmission behavior. If you notice these issues, it's time to locate the affected components in the transmission system. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them. To diagnose P0702, check these key transmission-related components. Transmission control module location, usually found near the transmission, under the dashboard, or inside the engine bay. Function. Controls gear shifting, monitors sensor data, and ensures smooth transmission operation. Transmission range sensor, also known as neutral safety switch location, mounted on the side of the transmission, near the gear shift linkage. Function. Detects the selected gear and sends signals to the TCM. Input and output speed sensors location, mounted on the transmission case near the transmission shaft. Function, input speed sensor, ISS, measures engine RPM entering the transmission. Output, speed sensor, OSS, monitors the speed of the transmission output shaft. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS, location, inside the transmission, usually near the valve body. Function, measures fluid pressure to ensure smooth shifting. Shift solenoids, A, B, C, etc. Location inside the transmission valve body. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for gear shifts. Transmission fluid temperature sensor, TFTS. Location, usually inside the transmission oil pan or on the transmission cooler line. Function, monitors transmission fluid temperature. Wiring harness and connectors location, runs between the TCM, sensors, and solenoids. Function, transmits electrical signals for transmission control. Common causes of P0702 faulty transmission control module, TCM, can misinterpret sensor data and cause shifting issues. Wiring problems, corroded, broken, or shorted wires can disrupt TCM communication. Failed transmission sensors, a bad speed sensor, range sensor, or pressure sensor can trigger P0702, faulty shift solenoids. If solenoids fail, gears may not shift correctly, triggering a warning. Battery and charging issues. Low battery voltage or a weak alternator can cause transmission malfunctions. How to fix P0702? Step 1. Scan for additional transmission codes. Use an OBD-II scanner to check related codes. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or loose wires near the TCM, sensors, and solenoids. Step 3. Test the speed sensors and solenoids. Use a multimeter to check resistance and voltage. Replace any faulty components. Step 4. Check battery and alternator. A low-voltage electrical system can trigger transmission errors. Step 5. Reset the TCM and test drive. Clear the code with a scanner and observe if the issue returns. Ignoring P0702 can lead to transmission failure, poor performance, and costly repairs. Fixing it early can save you money and prevent major damage. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0656, Fuel Level Output Circuit Malfunction P0657. Actuator supply voltage circuit. Open, like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.